This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable glasses, specifically these mini disposable cocktail glasses. So we have a few different styles. There's the 2-ounce mini margarita, our 3-ounce sea green aperitif, our 2-ounce round mini wine glass, our 2-ounce mini champagne flute, our 2-ounce martini, and then a 2-ounce Angalore martini for a little bit of extra flair. And these are perfect for serving mini cocktails, for past service of things like signature drinks, or toasting portions of things like champagne. They're going to be great especially for sampling or doing cocktail tastings of specialty cocktails, where you can give those little tiny portions, especially when people are going to be sampling different options. Many of these feature a 2-piece setup where the top just fits directly into that base. So you can just easily pop them onto the stems and they're ready to go for service, making these easy to fill and use and quick to set up pre-service. So these are great to serve mini cocktails or shots in, to do things like serve cocktail-themed desserts. Think a great little margarita sorbet in there, or even the service of cute little appetizers as well. They're disposable, which makes cleanup an easy, breezy process post-service, and they're perfect for caterers, wine bars, event venues, distilleries, or even just for your next party at home.